Good morning, how you guys doing? Mike MC Raps, happy Valentine's Day to all you ladies and even you gentlemen that if I acting like ladies, you know who you are. Anyway, so we're finishing up a couple of projects. We're definitely gonna post some pictures. Spanish lavender for the Volvo, satin bubblegum pink for the Bronco. So I want to say, and then we did some black. I had a little gold flakes in it. Can't really see so much because we don't have no sun because it's been freezing like crazy out lately. But yeah, let me see. Woo! Yeah, came out badass. So if you guys need anything, definitely give us a call. We got you guys covered. Get you guys in, get you guys out, get you guys looking fresh. Man, just Valentine's Day. How do you come up with two colors that's like Valentine's Day colors for Valentine's Day? That's a blessing. So we appreciate you guys, and God bless.